% by year 2050, and we will maintain this only by the end of 2100 to 2 centigrade, which we are afraid it will be 4 now. And is this happened? This was in Copenhagen, and they say hope, and you can see here, they call the Copenhagen meeting, which I attended, they call it Hopenhagen, but there was no hope. Nothing have happened. Lack of political will. We've gone again about the Green Climate Fund, and this fund is going to help the developing countries for adaptation. There was a wonderful element which was discussed thoroughly about technology mechanism and how the technology is going to be available for the developing countries, and this will have an implication in the adaptation framework. And we have to start with a fast start of finance with $30 billion. Has this happened? No, didn't happen. Then you, the young people in this room, you have to ask for this, because this is the future of our planet. If we don't stop this crazy climate change, it's going to impact your children, and this will be a miserable issue. And this is a cartoon. We say, they are telling Mr. Obama, you said yes, we can. Mr. Obama, in year 2020, is saying, I am sorry, we could have stopped the catastrophic climate change, but we didn't. And this is reality. We move from one COP to another. This is the Doha meeting, which is the COP18, and then we have gone to Rio. In Rio, they say, let us bridge what we didn't do in the last 4 or 5 meetings. And let us bridge the gap and seize the opportunity of moving forward. But they focus on food security and nutrition, sustainable agriculture, biodiversity, and the rest of the elements which we all talk about. Is this going to happen? Again, if you are a passive audience, this will never happen. You need to be a citizen of the world who has a voice, and therefore we need to get together to see a better future. Smart agriculture was a suggestion. We had a big meeting in Den Haag, in Holland. We talk about the smart agriculture and the green agriculture, but this requires a lot of knowledge, and this knowledge has to be packaged through centers like IAM-Bari and the IAM system as a whole, and other international centers, and work hand in hand.